April 13th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear Earth Angels, you are seeing every day how the world is teetering on the brink of disaster. As Earth Angels, you understand the meaning of the times. Satan and his host of demons seek to devour as many souls as possible. Social media is one of the strongest weapons in his vast arsenal. That, coupled with the news media, is now proving to be a powerful force in the greatest battle of all time. I have asked you, as seekers of truth, to limit your exposure to those tools, which are now used to create chaos and confusion, spreading vicious lies and unrest throughout the world. This is why I said years ago, if there were no books, if there were no computers, television, cell phones, and the like, where on earth would you find the answers and guidance you will desperately be seeking? Although you already know, as seekers of truth, to turn inward for that which you are seeking, far too many of you continue to occupy your minds with that which is of the world, that which is being used by Satan to create barriers to your higher consciousness. My children are indeed one with my spirit. When you understand we are all one, you will realize that which you are capable of. Until you accept what is possible through this oneness, you will limit that which is within your grasp. In order to tap into this increased energy, you must relinquish that which creates barriers to my kingdom. I am not a God of chaos, confusion, and destruction. Rather, I desire for my children to become ambassadors of goodwill. Yes, to become ambassadors of God's will. In order to do so, my children must allow their divine instinct to become an integral part of their daily lives. Just as the five senses are accepted as the sum total of the whole physical being, one must incorporate the sixth sense as well. The divine sense is the only sense which is capable of sensing that which is of my kingdom. There is a sense of touch, a sense of taste, a sense of smell, a sense of hearing, and sight, which are all there for benefit of one's human anatomy. Yet the sixth sense was created for the express benefit of one's soul. It is through the sixth sense one is able to experience that which is of the spiritual realm, that which is of my kingdom. As you examine the five senses, you begin to see how by paying particular attention to one of the five senses, you increase that which you are capable of. For example, perhaps you use the sense of touch to heal, the sense of hearing to master a musical instrument, the sense of sight to recapture that which is seen by the human eye, perhaps as a painter. So you see, as you begin to understand what is possible when one pays particular attention to a particular sense, one can see what will happen when you pay particular attention to the divine sense, sixth sense. You become proficient at that which you pay attention to. Think on that which you have mastered in the past. Jillian, the more clocks you made, the more proficient you became. Your skill increased. And Wendy, it is the same in that which you have created. An exact proportion for that which you turn your attention to, your skill level increased. Do you understand, my dear Earth Angels? It is the same with your divine instinct. The more you exercise this sense, the more proficient you become. As you become more proficient in that which is of my spirit, you will discover that which you are capable of. When you allow your soul to assume its rightful position in your being, you will long to connect with my spirit. You understand the spirit is to the soul as the heart is to the life thread of man's physical being. It is therefore crucial in these times you become proficient in the ways of God's Spirit. I am protecting you with my holy breastplate, but you must be obedient to what my Spirit is guiding you to. Thank you for responding to my call. I have given you much to ponder. Therefore, be mindful as you go about your day, and you will feel an increased energy.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 151 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.